In this video, I'd like to show you how to enter time for your equipment. Now, depending on your company and how you're set up, you may select equipment when you clock in, or you may need to enter time on equipment after the fact. If you're entering equipment when you clock in, this is not the right video for you. You'll do that through the clock-in process. If you need to fill out a time card for your equipment after the fact, this is what that video is intended for. So first, I'm going to go ahead and enter in a PIN number here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Usage Sheet here in the Asset section. So up at the top, I'm going to click on Add Asset, and I can select whichever equipment I need to enter time for. If you need to select multiple pieces of equipment, you can. We'll go ahead and select these three here, and we'll hit Close. So I can see here we have three different vehicles with 8 hours on each of those. If we need to choose a specific job and task and such that if we need to choose a specific job or task on these, we can go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the water truck one, and we can say this was used for 5 hours today. We can then also go to the job, and we can pick which job this equipment was used on. And if you need to associate it to a task, you can. You can go ahead and select the task if that applies, and then we'll go ahead and click on Save. We can go to the dump truck, and we can go ahead and do the same thing. Maybe the dump truck was used 6 hours, and it was used on this job. And we'll go ahead and save that, and then we'll go ahead and enter time for this front end loader. Perhaps this was used 2.5 hours on this job, and we'll pick a task here, and then we'll go ahead and hit save. At this point, we'll go ahead and click save down here at the bottom, and we're completed. You'll notice now that we have an unsynced record. So in order to send that, what I'm going to do is click on the little menu button up here at the top right corner, and you'll see here's a sync button, and that's where you can sync and send that. This is also going to update your device with any new jobs or employees or any new pieces of equipment. You can also, before I sync, go down here and click on Asset Home. You'll see here's the list of different inventory. I can go to usage, and I can see here's that usage I just created. If I click on this, I can see what I entered in here. I can also click on this little circle here and hit sync down here at the bottom. That just gives us a second way to send that, so I'll go ahead and do that now. Now we can see that the sync is complete. And now that it's been sent, we'll see that it's been moved from this not sent over to the sent area. Now I can still click on this and I can still see my hours on that equipment and the different jobs. However, we're not going to be doing any editing at this point. Those records have been sent at this point, so we're good at that point. If you have any questions, just let us know.